How to connect your Aliexpress to Shopify. Now, in order to connect Aliexpress to your Shopify account, there is no inbuilt tool or feature in both either Aliexpress or Shopify, but in order to do that, you can use third-party softwares and websites. And one of those is this AutoDS. Now, in order to do this, just simply open your browser and search AutoDS in there and open the website of autods.com. And once you open the AutoDS website, you need to tap to get started and create an account in AutoDS at very first. And once you create your account, you are gonna see a page where you can choose the platforms that you want to connect. From here, you just simply need to pick the option of Shopify, and once you pick Shopify from here, you need to select the package which you would like to subscribe. In order to connect Aliexpress to Shopify, you can get so many packages which you can pick according to your need. And once you pick the package and start with it, you are gonna get option to connect with Aliexpress directly, and like this you can connect Aliexpress to Shopify with AutoDS very easily. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.